Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you why won't your device charge. This issue is actually quite complex to fix, and that's because here we've got only one contacts pad and one cable, and we don't get actually many options in here to manage our headphones. But let's start with the very beginning. If you see that it doesn't want to work, try changing outlets. Try, for example, plugging your cable not to a laptop or to a power brick, or not to the first power brick but to a second one, to a different one. You need to check if it works. If the cable works, that's nice. However, if the cable does not work, you need to try cleaning this part over here. Clean this with microfiber cloth and everything should be fine. If it doesn't work still, you need to try changing the cables. You need to try borrowing the same sort of cable from different headphones, for example. I mean, not different headphones, but you need to just somehow replace this one with a different one and check if the cable is at fault. If everything don't want to help, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Bye.